Hello everyone and welcome to lesson 25. We have managed all the grammar together, so let's make a revision of the tenses today. The present tense, the past tense, and the future tense. I will draw it for you on the paper, so enjoy it.
The present tense. Then, of course, we have past tense. And then future tense. We live in the present. There is always a simple tense and continuous tense. When we start in the present, we have present simple. I play tennis every day. Then we have present continuous. I am playing tennis now. And then we can also use present continuous when something bothers us. With always, like she is always losing her keys. Then we have the past simple. I paid it yesterday, or last week, or last year. Past continuous. Yesterday at 5 o'clock, I was playing tennis. At a particular time, I was doing something. Then we have also used to. You used to do something, but you don't do it anymore, or not so much. I used to play tennis when I was younger. Then we have also would, that could be used in a similar way as used to for repeated actions in the past. The dog would bark every day and I was really scared. And then of course we have the future. Future simple. For spontaneous decisions, for your opinions, will play with you. Future continuous. In a particular moment in future, you will be doing something and you know it. This time, tomorrow, I will be lying on the beach. We can also use present simple for schedules. The train leaves at 5. You can also use present continuous for actions that are planned, that are in your schedule, like seeing doctor, going to cinema, something that has a place and a time and you have it planned in your diary. I'm seeing my dentist tomorrow at 4. And the last but not least, be going to. Be gonna. For obvious situations, like it's going to rain. Because the sky is totally dark and you can see it, it's obvious. Or for your plans and intentions. I'm going to sell my car. It's too old and I don't like it anymore. But then in English we have also perfect tenses. Past perfect. It's a tense that actually started in the past but somehow continues to the past moment. Yesterday I visited my friend. And when he opened the door, he was totally dirty from a paint. So I was like, oh, you had been painting something. So he had been painting something. I visited my friend. He was dirty. He had been painting. This is the continuous. Simple. Yesterday you arrived at the party and they had eaten everything when you arrived. Then, of course, you have the present perfect. Also started somewhere in the past, but continues to to the present. Why are you out of breath? Have you been running? Why are you out of breath? Have you been running? It started somewhere in the past, you did something in the past, but it actually continues up to now, or you have something on you, some effects or impact. You can see it, you are still out of breath. So have you been running? And the simple, very often used, you are at the party now and you are totally shocked. You're shocked that they have eaten everything. And then, of course, you have the future perfect. Started somewhere in the past, but continues to the future. But most importantly here, the future perfect simple.
And now let's see the tenses in the movement. The present tense. I'm here now, in the present. I play tennis every day. She plays tennis every day. For the past, let's make a step backward. I played tennis yesterday. And for the future, let's make the step forward. I will play tennis tomorrow. The negative. I don't play tennis. She doesn't play tennis. I didn't play tennis yesterday. I will not play tennis tomorrow. And the questions? Do you play tennis? Does she play tennis? Did you play tennis yesterday? Will you play tennis tomorrow? And for the present perfect, this is just basically all over, from the past to the present. I have played tennis. And now we can have continuous tenses. They continue, they are continuous. It's like a river flowing. I am learning English now. Yesterday at 5 o'clock I was learning English. And tomorrow at 5 o'clock I will be learning English. And the present perfect continues. I have been learning English for ages. That's all for today. I hope you have enjoyed my lessons. And see you next time. Bye bye.